Trying to get in this bitch. Here we go. Let's try this fucking shit again. Hold the breath. Big kayak, they say. Be fun, they say. No. I hate being fat. Current is something else today. There we go. Editor, edit all that, please. Alright. Zito here from Seeing the Outdoors. We're gonna try this shit fucking again because, well, nice and easy here. See if we can get up on some birds. So I'll power up through this other side. See what we can get into. Way down from last time. You can actually walk through this now. Last time we came here, holy crap, you couldn't get far at all. Can you fucking believe that? Here somehow. You get out and fucking walk. Well, looks like it's as far as I'm getting. Fucking moving, boat. Bitch ass. There's the fuck. Here we go. And see if we can get through over here and go on back. Bitch, that's another fucking damn motherfucker. Well, I fucking missed straight up on those bitches. You know, those fucking videos make shooting from a kayak fucking easy. That's bullshit. Oh, great. Well, I'm not going any further than right here. I would have had to get out anyway. Fuck. Dude, I don't fucking know. I assume so. Maybe I'll chase them down. God damn it. I will. That's what happens. It's alright, we'll be back for you. Aw, sit here for a minute. See if anything fucking flies by. Just hanging out right here. Oh well. The current's kind of pulling me right now. It's a little slow going, but you know what? I'm just gonna go with it. We'll see. Up in this place. Alright, it looks like it got to a dead end already. Hope not. I'll be damned. Fucking beavers. Fucking beavers. I'm damned up the whole fucking area. Ah, shit. Well, we're gonna this out just to see for shits and giggles. Oh, fucking beavers done did at it again. He done. Alright, are we going back? Hell shit. Should be one of those days, I see. We're gonna try to get over here. There's a current, bitch. I know you can't fucking see it, but damn it. There's a fucking current right here. Start to this day, unfortunately, but I mean, it is what it fucking is. I'll tell you what, though, we're real appreciative if you guys actually like and share some of our videos. That'll help us out a bunch. Just a couple of poor fat guys trying to do some funny audio and videos and shit for you. Everybody loved the beaver deal. Although if I see him today, he's coming home to me in the back of the truck. Oh shit. It's fucking cold. It is just fucking cold. Using the fucking kayak out here in the wilderness. This shit's not panning out. This duck season bullshit. I still can't believe I missed some fucking mallards. Oh, fuck me. Oh well. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good one.